In this video, I'm going to show you how to do research on Solana meme coins. Now for this, you're going to need an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. And again, link down below, you will not regret it. So once you have your Axiom account, it's basically one of the best platforms to actually do research on Solana meme coins, and this is why. Now, it's packed with a lot of different features that you can use. Of course, you can use the wallet tracker if you would like to track specific wallets, via which you can, of course, do great research on Solana meme coins, see what the best traders are trading, what the best wallets are trading, and then you can do kind of your own research via that. Then you also have a separate thing over here, which is one of the best things ever. It's called a Twitter tracker. So basically over here you can just set whatever you want to do. So if I go to trackers up here, you can go to your Twitter tracker. As you can see over here, have it down here at the bottom. And what this Twitter tracker will do, you can customize your feed. You can set which handles you want to follow, and then anytime a new update happens, you'll get a new update over here, and based on that, you can do great research on Solana meme coins, and essentially you can basically spot those potential coins that can explode and make you a lot of money and a lot of profit. So this is the second thing you can use. Down here you also have the pulse tracker, where you can basically see the new coins dropping. If you go to new pairs, you'll see new coins dropping constantly, and you can also go to pulse over here, which is basically a bigger view of the thing I was just showing you. Now, in here, to actually do research, you can see, of course, there's new pairs over here coming in all the time. These are the final stretches before they get migrated, and then over here, these are the migrated coins. Of course, Axiom is great because you can just use these filters over here. You can filter through different protocols, you can search and filter keywords, you can go ahead and set different filters for audit, metrics, and socials, and there's just a lot of things that actually help you do your own research on the best Solana meme coins, and of course find those that you're looking for. Now, what's also going to help, let me just open up a random meme coin over here. You can look at the different positions and trades going on right now. Down here, you can see at the orders, so the orders you made. You can see at every single holder of this specific meme coin over here in Axiom, and you can even look at the specific wallet. So if you go over here, click on the wallet address, it's going to open up the wallet. You're going to see their P&L, you're going to see their total value, the unrealized P&L, the available balance, etc. And then, of course, what they have bought, their top 100s, their history, their active positions. So there's a bunch of things you can do on here that can actually help you do great research on Solana meme coins. So, of course, there's a bunch of different features, but these are just some that I wanted to show you. So yeah, to help you out. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.